It is said that the decentralized nature of Bitcoin led several companies into exploring blockchain technology for their industries. However, on a general scope, blockchain technology is used in the fields of marketing, logistics, and supply chain. Since the inception of Bitcoin, a system which would allow users to transfer money without the need of any financial institution, embracing the concept is still laced with mixed feelings from the banking public in this part of the world. With this in mind, what are the prospects for blockchain concept in Nigeria?
I think actually it's a very vibrant environment. There seems to be quite a lot going on, and so it's one, of course, a question of making foreign investors aware that there is this vibrant environment. Secondly, it's about having a safe environment to invest in. Investing in young startups is always going to be a risky business, but if you add to that also additional risk coming from abroad, then the more risk, the less likely the investment is. So the more there can be clear laws, a welcoming approach to foreign business, I think would be very helpful.
A decentralized financial system shouldn't be restricted to financial remittances alone, according to stakeholders. But Fintech has gained traction in Nigeria's financial ecosystem despite technology difficulties, encouraging new skills and employment opportunities.
I would say that Fintech is growing. It's a young ecosystem, and it's growing. And so for us as an association, the way we look at Fintech is this. For us, we're in a platform to bring together everybody within the Fintech space. So when we say Fintech, it could mean banks, payment Fintechs, lending Fintechs, the blockchain players, wealth tech, agri-tech, insurtech, so all the verticals, health tech. because when you hear Fintech, everybody thinks about payment. Payment is fantastic. Payment is foundational for any fintech ecosystem to function. But you see, we can now leverage the verticals on a good payment system. And I think one thing we have here is that we have a fantastic payment system in Nigeria, and that's why we can leverage all those other verticals on it and grow the ecosystem.
Blockchain concept prevents fraudulent trading, creating certainty for data ownership. It is said to be transparent and prevents tampering, according to experts. But the issue of regulation for a new financial process comes with greater responsibility.
The clearer the legislation, the more protection for investment, the more clear rules, business-friendly, embracing innovation, embracing investment from abroad, the more investment you're going to get. It's as simple as that, So I, for one, am very, very optimistic on the future of Africa and Nigeria. And I think you should be too, because this is many opportunities you have here that actually we don't have in Europe. So feel encouraged, hopefully, by that. Check into blockchain and see if that's something you should deploy or not. Keep yourself informed. We're very happy to help with educational.
For the experts, blockchains are potentially the new age internet, with possibilities of opening up and transforming the economy, creating new businesses based on trust with new models built. It is essentially a deviation from the old ways of doing things. Niyi Oyelowo, Arise News, Lagos.